This dance starts with weight on your left. You're going to start with a right lock step into a left lock step. Then you're going to do a forward mambo on the right. Then you're going to come into a coaster step back with a cross. Then a right out scissor step, left out scissor step, then into a K-step. Grapevine with a scuff. Grapevine to the left with a scuff. Cross it over into that turning jazz box. And then you're going to do a toe, heel, stomp, V-step, stomp, stomp, clap, back into the beginning of the dance. There's a restart in this dance. It's on the fourth wall. And you're going to start out at the beginning of the dance. It's after the first 4 counts. So you're essentially just going to repeat the lock steps. So you're on that fourth wall. You're going to do that right lock step, left lock step, restart dance. Right lock step, left lock step, and then into that mambo. Continue the dance.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.